Filing your 2022 taxes online with TurboTax in 2023 is easier than you think. First, open your browser and go to the TurboTax official website. If you already have an account, sign in. Otherwise, set up a new one by providing your details. Once inside, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you'll find the section to begin your tax return. Start by going to the Federal Taxes tab, then head into Wages and Income. Here you'll enter all your earnings, so keep your W-2s, 1099s, or any other income records ready. If you're self-employed, there's a dedicated section that helps you report both income and expenses, ensuring you don't miss valuable deductions. As you move forward, TurboTax will guide you step by step, asking clear questions and filling in forms automatically where possible. If your situation involves investments, freelance work, or other complexities, you may be prompted to upgrade to a version that covers those cases. When you're done, review everything carefully before submitting. Accuracy is key. With TurboTax's guidance, even beginners can file with confidence.